Okay, so right now we are trying to assess through the daily charts first. So this is actually the signals that we are sharing on our premium signal groups yesterday, and we have been hitting 3 wins out of 3 signals that we are giving out on the gold market last night, and last night has been actually quite a good trade as well, even though market volatility is a bit slower, but certainly the market movement has been quite great, and you guys could see that we hit 3 TP1s, and that is certainly a good thing, a total of 200 pips. So if you guys are interested to get this kind of premium signals from us and for free, you guys could click the link on the video descriptions, and I'll let you guys know how you guys could get these signals for free. Alright, so back on this chart, let me just move this a little bit. Okay, so that you guys could see much clearly. So first of all, I've already been telling you guys 3,430, 3,435 could be a very important key resistance price for the gold market movement in the long run. And if prices could be able breaking out higher, we've really been seeing a potential of price breaking out of it and build up a cup and handle formations on these ranges, and even a possibility that we are seeing good chances that this consolidation is building up a bigger chart pattern on the long run, building up a long bull flag if you guys are watching carefully, because based on this bull flag, and it could be going up pretty fast, but just for us to be a bit more conservative, let us just try to focus based on the chart pattern that has been formed since the 21st of April, hitting the high at 3,500, even though it's slightly going back lower afterwards. This consolidation has been building up pretty long, and if prices starts breaking out higher, 3,435, cup and handle formations at the very least, we could achieve 3,600 price target on the long run. But if not, if you guys are trying to be much more conservative and try not to be over reaching your targets, maybe you guys could try to aim 3,500 as your next price target on the long run if prices could sustain its price movement beyond 3,430 and stays above 3,430 on this daily chart. But what happens if prices couldn't sustain its price above 3,430? So based on the long-term market, we are likely to see that market will still be moving on these ranges between 3,200 towards 3,400. And it isn't a bad thing if prices couldn't go higher, but it's just we are going to see a little bit of a calmer market and a little bit of a mundane market, so to say, because we are not really getting a lot of market trends that could be happening on the market if prices couldn't break out higher, as we have already been mentioning to you guys, and a possible pullback if prices couldn't break 3,350. Okay, so that's the best case, and that's the worst case scenario, and the best case scenario that we have already been giving out to you guys. Hopefully you guys get a little bit of idea what could be happening if prices break down lower 3,410, and if prices break out higher 3,430, so that you guys could get a little bit of idea what could be the maximum price movement in the long term. Okay, all right, so let us go back on the short-term market movement. On the 30-minute time frame charts should be more than enough for us to actually see what's moving on the markets and try to assess things from there.